Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tech Talk Easy. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. Thanks for joining us today. We're so happy you're here.
This podcast is for English learners who want to understand the world of technology, but in simple, clear English.
Exactly. We talk about new inventions, digital life, and the future, and we explain everything step by step.
Today, we're exploring how technology is changing our daily lives. We'll look at artificial intelligence, smart homes, green tech, and even how technology affects our emotions.
And as always, we'll take short vocabulary breaks to explain new words. So don't worry if you're learning English, we'll go slowly and clearly.
Ready to dive in?
Let's go.
Let's start with the big one. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Everyone's talking about it.
Yes, AI is basically when computers or machines can think and learn like humans. For example, apps that can write essays, create images, or even talk to you.
Like chatbots, right? I use a chatbot to help me plan my day. It suggests my tasks, checks the weather, and even reminds me to drink water.
That's a great example. Chatbots are one form of AI. They use something called machine learning, which means they get better the more you use them.
Wow, so they learn from our conversations?
Exactly. The more data they have, the smarter they become.
Some people worry about that, like, will AI take our jobs?
That's a common question. Some jobs will change, yes, especially routine ones. But AI also creates new jobs, like AI trainers, data scientists, and ethics researchers.
Ethics researchers? What do they do?
They make sure AI is used responsibly, that it's fair, safe, and doesn't harm people.
That's really interesting. And for English learners, AI tools can be so helpful. Some apps correct grammar, help with pronunciation, or even simulate real conversations.
True, but learners should remember, AI is a tool, not a teacher. You still need real human conversation to build confidence.
Exactly. You can practice with technology, but your heart learns from people. Vocabulary time. AI is artificial intelligence. It means machines that can learn and make decisions. Machine learning is when a computer improves by studying data. And ethics are moral rules about what is right or wrong. Let's talk about something a little closer to home. Literally, smart homes.
Yes, homes that use technology to make life easier. For example, smart lights that turn off when you leave, or a smart speaker that plays music when you say, "Good morning."
My friend has a smart fridge. It tells her when the milk is almost empty.
That's amazing. And that's thanks to something called the Internet of Things, or IoT.
IoT, that sounds complicated. What does it mean?
It simply means all your devices are connected to the internet and to each other. So your phone, lights, and fridge can talk to one another.
That sounds convenient, but also a little scary. Who's watching all that data?
That's a smart question. Privacy is a big issue. Every smart device collects data, and sometimes people don't realize how much.
So people should be careful?
Exactly. Always read privacy settings and don't connect devices you don't trust.
I like that advice. Smart doesn't just mean technology, it means being wise about using it. Vocabulary time. IoT is the Internet of Things. It means devices connected to the Internet and to each other. Convenient means making life easier or more comfortable. Privacy is keeping your personal information safe. Let's move to a topic that affects everyone, the planet.
Right. Green technology is all about using innovation to help the environment.
Like electric cars, solar panels, and recycling machines.
Yes, technology can make energy cleaner and reduce pollution. For example, some cities use smart sensors to control streetlights. They only turn on when someone walks by.
That saves electricity.
Exactly. And companies are now using AI to track carbon emissions and find ways to reduce them.
That's so inspiring. It shows how technology can do good.
Absolutely. The future of tech isn't just about speed, it's about sustainability.
Can you explain that word, sustainability?
Sure. It means using resources in a way that doesn't harm the future, like reusing, recycling, and protecting nature.
Vocabulary time. Sustainability. Using resources responsibly for the future. Pollution. Harmful materials in the environment. Carbon emissions. Gases that cause climate change. Now, let's talk about something close to our hearts. Education.
Yes. Technology has completely changed how we learn.
When I was a student, I had to carry heavy books. Now everything is online.
Exactly. Students can learn through apps, videos, and virtual classrooms. Some even use VR or virtual reality to experience lessons.
Oh, that's where you wear special glasses and feel like you're inside the lesson, right?
Yes. For example, history students can walk through ancient Rome, or biology students can explore the human body.
That's incredible. And for language learners, you can practice English with AI chatbots or watch YouTube videos with subtitles.
Right. The challenge is staying focused. With so many apps, it's easy to get distracted.
True. So maybe balance is the key, mixing traditional study with modern tools. Vocabulary time. VR. Virtual reality. 3D computer environments that feel real. Subtitles. Text that shows what people are saying in a video. Distracted. Not paying attention because of other things. Let's go deeper. How does technology affect our emotions?
That's such an important question. Technology connects us, but sometimes it also isolates us.
Yeah, we can message hundreds of people, but still feel lonely.
Exactly. It's easy to forget that likes and emojis aren't the same as real human connection.
But on the other hand, technology can support our mental health, like meditation apps, online therapy, or digital journals.
Yes, it's all about how we use it. Technology should make our lives richer, not emptier.
I love that. Maybe we should practice something like a digital detox once a week.
Great idea. One day without screens can refresh your mind.
Vocabulary time. Isolate. To be or feel alone. Connection. Relationship or link with others. Detox. Taking a break to stay healthy. In this case, from technology. We've covered a lot today: AI, smart homes, green tech, education, and emotional balance.
Yes, and we've learned that technology is powerful, but it's up to us to use it wisely.
That's right. Remember, technology should help humans, not replace them.
And for our English learners, keep exploring tech in English. Watch videos, listen to podcasts like this one, and practice every day.
You'll improve your English and your understanding of the world.
Thanks for joining us today on Tech Talk Easy.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay connected.